Hey everyone, we're doing garage door insulation and this is the door what we are working with, and we used got the table saw. Is so handy, so easy, and there is some pieces what we already cut, so it's nice. And actually there is a door what we already put some pieces on, and we bought those from Facebook Marketplace. And this is the door, second door what we are working for right now, so he's gonna show you how he put those on.
So this cap here, I make these pieces to fill those gaps, and I put this in here first, and I make them kind of snug tight so I don't need to do anything else. And this piece is also snug tight. Just put it there, and then so this is so tight, doesn't need anything.
It's there.
Doesn't need any glue or nothing, just right there.
Yep.
You can cover this with some kind of plate if you want.
If you need to, but yeah. So.
And that's gonna save your light bill, all these big 3 doors. What I gonna do? I'm gonna put the AC on this garage, so that's why I do this. That's it.